Hey everyone, it's Sultana Hona from Codecraftcafe. Let's talk about a topic that's close to my heart, B2B lead generation. Specifically, how to build a system that brings in a consistent flow of high-quality leads. And the best part? We're breaking it down step by step. So no matter where you are in your marketing journey, you can walk away with actionable insights. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Welcome to our guide on creating a successful B2B lead generation campaign. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this video will provide you with a strategic and systematic approach to generate high-quality leads. First things first, you need to know exactly who you're trying to reach. And I don't just mean their job title, we're talking about getting deep into their world. What keeps them up at night? What are their biggest challenges at work? What are their aspirations? Think of it like creating a character for a story. You want to know their motivations, their pain points, their goals. The more detailed you are, the better you'll be able to tailor your message to resonate with them. Remember, a generic message gets lost in the noise, but a message that speaks directly to someone's needs, that's what grabs attention and sparks a connection. For example, let's say you're a software company that helps businesses streamline their project management. Your ideal customer might be a marketing manager, constantly juggling multiple deadlines and struggling to keep their team on track. By understanding their pain points, the stress of missed deadlines, the frustration of disorganized projects, you can position your software as the solution that brings order to their chaos. So take the time to create detailed profiles of your ideal customers. This is the foundation of your entire lead generation strategy. Now that you know who you're targeting, it's time to set some goals. And not just any goals, we're talking about SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't fall into the trap of setting vague goals like get more leads. How many more leads? By when? Without clear targets, it's impossible to track your progress or know if your campaign is actually working. Instead, get specific. Do you want to generate 100 qualified leads in the next quarter? Increase your website conversion rate by 5%? These are goals you can measure and track. And don't forget about ROI. Lead generation takes time and resources, so you need to make sure those efforts are translating into actual business growth. Set targets for cost per lead, lead conversion rates, and ultimately, the revenue generated from your leads. By setting SMART goals, you'll have a clear roadmap for your lead generation efforts and be able to measure your success along the way. Let's face it, the online world is noisy. Every day, your target audience is bombarded with messages from competitors all vying for their attention. So how do you stand out? By crafting a value proposition that's impossible to ignore. Your value proposition is a clear, concise statement that explains what you offer, who you serve, and why you're different. It's the hook that makes people want to learn more. Here's the key. Focus on the benefits, not just the features. Don't just tell people what your product or service does. Tell them how it will make their lives easier, their jobs simpler, or their businesses more profitable. For example, instead of saying we offer project management software, say we help marketing teams get organized, stay on top of deadlines, and deliver exceptional results. See the difference? The second statement focuses on the benefits that matter most to the target audience. Remember, your value proposition should be front and center in all your marketing materials, from your website to your social media profiles to your lead magnets. Make it crystal clear what makes you the best choice for your ideal customer. Now it's time to talk content. Content is the fuel that drives your lead generation engine, but not just any content will do. You need high-quality, valuable content that attracts your ideal customer and compels them to take action. Think about the questions your target audience is asking, the challenges they're facing, and the information they need to make informed decisions. Then, create content that provides real value and positions you as a trusted advisor. Blog posts, ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, videos. There are endless possibilities when it comes to content formats. Experiment and see what resonates best with your audience. And don't forget about SEO. Optimize your content with relevant keywords so that people can easily find you when they're searching for solutions online. Make it easy for them to discover your expertise and learn how you can help. Remember, content is not a one-time thing. It's about consistently providing value, building relationships, and nurturing leads over time. You've got your target audience, your goals, your value proposition, and your content. Now it's time to choose the right channels to reach your audience and amplify your message. Where do your ideal customers hang out online? Are they active on LinkedIn? Do they follow industry blogs? Do they engage with thought leaders on Twitter? Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to be everywhere at once. Focus on the platforms where your target audience is most active and where you can add the most value. Social media is a powerful tool for B2B lead generation. Use platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to share your content, engage in industry conversations, and connect with potential customers. Email marketing is another essential channel for nurturing leads. Build your email list by offering valuable lead magnets and use automated drip campaigns to stay top of mind and provide relevant information at each stage of the buyer's journey. And don't underestimate the power of paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and LinkedIn Ads allow you to target your ideal customer with laser precision and get your message in front of a wider audience. Let's talk about lead magnets. Lead magnets are valuable resources that you offer for free in exchange for contact information. They're a great way to capture leads and start building relationships. But here's the thing, not all lead magnets are created equal. Your lead magnet needs to be something that your target audience actually wants and will find valuable enough to exchange their contact information for. Think about the pain points your ideal customer is facing and create a lead magnet that offers a solution or provides valuable insights. Ebooks, guides, checklists, templates, webinars, the possibilities are endless. Once you have your lead magnet, you need a dedicated landing page to capture those leads. Your landing page should be clear, concise, and focused on a single call to action. Download the lead magnet, remove any distractions, and make it easy for visitors to understand the value of your offer and provide their information. A well-designed landing page can significantly increase your conversion rates. Congratulations! You've generated some leads, but your work isn't done yet. In fact, it's just beginning. Now it's time to nurture those leads and guide them through the buyer's journey. This is where marketing automation comes in. Marketing automation tools allow you to create automated workflows that deliver targeted content based on lead behavior. For example, let's say someone downloads your lead magnet on social media marketing. You could enroll them in an automated email sequence that provides additional tips, case studies, and resources on social media marketing. By providing valuable content and personalized communication, you'll build trust, establish your expertise, and move leads closer to a sale. Remember, lead nurturing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build relationships and earn the trust of your leads. But by being patient, persistent, and providing value every step of the way, you'll see a higher return on your lead generation efforts. In the world of digital marketing, data is king. You can't improve what you don't measure. That's why it's crucial to regularly analyze your lead generation campaign's performance and make adjustments along the way. Remember those SMART goals we talked about earlier? This is where they come into play. Track your progress against your key performance indicators, such as website traffic, lead volume, cost per lead, and conversion rates. Use analytics tools to gain insights into what's working and what's not. Which channels are driving the most qualified leads? Which pieces of content are resonating most with your audience? Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. By staying flexible and adapting to the ever-changing landscape, you'll be able to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. The ultimate goal of lead generation is to convert those leads into paying customers. But it's not enough to simply generate leads and hope for the best. You need a solid system in place to ensure those leads are followed up with promptly and effectively. This is where your sales team comes in. Make sure your sales team is aligned with your marketing efforts and understands the buyer's journey. Provide them with the information they need to effectively engage with leads, such as lead scores, lead history, and personalized talking points. Lead scoring is a powerful tool that helps you prioritize leads based on their level of engagement and likelihood to convert. By focusing on the hottest leads, your sales team can make the most of their time and resources. And don't forget about the importance of follow-up. Studies show that it often takes multiple touch points to convert a lead into a customer. Make sure your sales team has a system in place for following up with leads consistently and persistently without being overly aggressive. And there you have it, a step-by-step blueprint for building a B2B lead generation campaign that delivers real results. Remember, it all starts with understanding your ideal customer, crafting a compelling value proposition, and creating content that resonates. Choose the right channels, leverage lead magnets and landing pages, and nurture those leads with marketing automation. Don't forget to analyze your results and make adjustments along the way. By following these steps and consistently putting in the effort, you'll be well on your way to generating a steady stream of high-quality leads and driving sustainable business growth. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a robust and successful B2B lead generation campaign that drives business growth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow Codecraft Cafe on YouTube and LinkedIn for more tips and guides.